You understand? So help is on the way by the special grace of God, okay? If this puppies will allow us to have our way to do our stuff. And let me brief you guys a little bit here on Facebook. Many people obviously did not understand why I reopened this case that you guys thought, but it don't finish now. Lolo, why you they do like this now? Lolo, it don't move on now. Lolo, you know they talk to you. A lot of you obviously did not understand why. So I'm sorry if I did not explain it properly to you guys here on Lolo's Talk Show and to my amazing fans out there. You understand? The reason why I reopened this case and start sending message to this Ojegile was because her fans would not allow my fans to be. As you can see now, they are busy putting on redhead on my video. No problem about that. I can deal. I can deal. That one is not a big deal. Okay? But they don't allow people to comment anymore. When you comment on my page, they will follow you indoor. They will follow you to your inbox. They will start to bully you. They have bullied me. Obviously, many of you pretend you don't know about it, okay? Many of you pretend you don't know about it, blah, 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 enough or no enough. You understand? Okay. Yes. It's okay. They have bullied me to the maximum. It's okay. But now they see that they couldn't get to me. They couldn't break me. I don't give up. Whenever I come here, my lashes are on point. My makeup are on point. My hairs are on point. Thanks to my amazing customers who still patronize my business. Who still patronize my business. May God Almighty bless all of you. They see they couldn't do me nothing. It's not working. Whatever they try to do to me, it's not working. They now start attacking my fans. When I'm on live video, you hardly see 500 people watch me. When the 500 people watch me, people almost don't comment. You understand? They almost don't comment. People almost don't comment because they are all scared. They are all scared not to be pursued indoors. You understand? Them to be pursued to their inbox. They will bully them. They will take their picture and their everything. They will scatter the whole people. If your husband should come across such thing, he will ask you, what happened? You say, I didn't do nothing. No, I didn't do nothing. I don't want to see you there anymore. The person will no longer comment. Your boyfriend, you cannot. Nobody wants to be bullied for just nothing. These people didn't do nothing. They start bullying them. I saw it, okay? But I didn't really know it gets to that. I now created a fan page where I can interact with my fans. Guess what happened? That was where I now finally saw what they are doing. They came into my fan page. They copied all the names of the people who were there with me, feeling free to chat with me. They copied it and they started bullying those people. Some of them sent it to me. I was like, excuse me? Who are these? That's why they find that they are on fake account. But these people are all her animals, all her puppies. That was why I got angry and I came for her again. Okay? So for those of you who really don't understand, many of you are like, Lolo, it's okay. Lolo, it's okay. Do you want me to be watching myself? What do you do with video? Video is for interacting. People comment. I tell people comment. That's what it is for. If she has moved on, let her mind her business. Talk show is my passion. It's something for me. Hey, Lolo, you are doing hair, you are doing makeup. You cannot reduce me to doing hair and makeup alone. Doing hair and makeup is to empower the women in the process. It's to empower the women in the process, not what my channel is all about. Lolo's Talk Show is what it is. That was why I come for her. So for those of my fans who really didn't know why. But unfortunately, just like always, instead for her to come out and tell them, you puppies, stop going to attack her fans indoors, she came out and make it all about herself. No, not be the message where I send you be that. That is not the message I sent you. If you like carry the put for table, cut their neck, you will say it to them. You guys should stop it. Stop it. Stay away from our fans. Stay away. And if you have any of my fans, when you are sure that this one is from Lolo's fan, you bring it out if they bully any of your fans. So we'll go to my YouTube channel where we'll go finish them. You understand? That was why I come for her. I didn't just sit down because I don't have her time. You guys know now. For a very long time, I don't have her time. I do my thing, I enter house. Even green screen I put on. You guys saw how they bully me. Hey, don't copy them. Now, mama, they make them for a loan. They sell them for shop. A whole company runs to sell that thing to use it. They bully me because of that. Or is it they don't know the meaning of bully? Is it they don't know what the meaning of bully? Even my small son that was fixing computer, a whole grown man, 50 years, could not fix. They also bully him. They have one new idiot, one poverty-stricken something that says she's building YouTube. To be cutting my video and be talking rubbish on it. Do I care? Is that not all bully? Or you people don't know what is bully? It's not nice. That was why I came back for her. To let her know that this is KU, UK. You try rubbish, you see rubbish straight up. Come and come, they cause them. Cause them where they are, no theirs. And make sure you tell them they are on their own or they should back off from my fans. Otherwise, you will take the fall for it. You will take it. They're extremely painful, but nobody understands it. She wants to reduce my platform to make up and this thing. Who does that? Who does that? Go your way. I go my way. I don't need you in my life. Day your day. If you achieve anything, keep it to your house. Why bringing it out also to come and show? If you are not trying to press what Lolo have done before. You keep it to your house. You don't need to come and show it. Keep it in your house. Let everywhere cool down. Keep it in your house. Don't bring it out. Manage to enter one small square extension of my kitchen. You know, let people hear what they say. You know, get kitchen. They say, no, get kitchen. All of that. No, don't say it. Just keep it in. Don't even do video. Don't. You open your mouth to say I open my fridge 20 times because I'm trying to show. Nothing in the fridge in the hand. They open the fridge. Were you not watching? Were you not watching? You come out again and make it all about you. It's not about you. It's about your purpose. Your party say to marry educated wife is very, very good. You know, go marry mumu, we go they scatter everywhere for you. My people, mona they learn. I've said it always, but nobody seems to believe me. It's okay. Let's go to my YouTube channel and go and finish the rest. I bet I'm gonna come talk the part when I hear for inside. If that's the way they treat the fans, let's come and say it. It's okay. Thank you, guys. But I want everybody to feel free. Feel free to comment now. And if they bully you, come and tell me. I will not get tired until she gets what she's looking for. Because she created this monster and she must put them together. Yes. If they bully any of you that comment here, come and tell me. Let them copy your name and send you. If they send you message, you bring it to me. They got to stop it. People got to be free to comment on my platform. Even like and love. If you put like and love in my video, these people are coming for you. That is bad. That is why the case was reopened. Not that I have a time. Wait he don't take, wait he gets, wait they near me. Where I want to disturb her for. What does she have? Tell me. Somebody tell me one thing she has gotten that Lolo don't have. Tell me. Oh, they don't give her a passport. You don't come different from my own. Okay, they don't buy brand new car with better pass my own. Car with they no see what we don't know the body. We don't even know the brand. Okay, they don't buy us. What you got a better pass me? We go come be me a dick. I'm not a jealous human being. I don't give a shit what people do. No, I don't. But if you want to come and mess with me, see this my small finger. You know, like her. See you all. For those of you who have dropped your account number, every month we're going to be doing this. Follow this channel and stay connected, okay? Stay connected. And by his grace, as the Lord provide the little that we have, we're going to be sharing with everybody out there. And also, the foundation is in process. It must be an official one, okay? Official. All right. Nice dentist. Thank you. If you need this hair, contact me 0031-654-213122 or visit my business page, The Golden Hair and Beauty Empire. The Golden Hair and Beauty Empire. The Golden Hair and Beauty Empire. All right. That is my business page. All right. That's my business page. So you can follow. And then you get to see different kind of amazing hair. No, when she says something. So let's go to my YouTube channel and let's go finish it. All right. See you all on my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for your amazing support. You guys have been so great. For those of you who hang in there with me, for those of you endlessly, day and night, being there for me. May God Almighty be there for you. All right. Thank you all. Like I said, I will never take it for granted. You wait, can't they here with us, uncle? Now that one, I did the stupidity from start. No wonder I say una be fools. You understand? Say you guys are fools. You don't hear what? Boku na go sleep now on day Facebook. If you know they here now, if I not be like that, if I not be like that, say some of you have. Let me just pass you. Get out. Don't have your time. All right. Actually, I called number 0031-654-213122 or visit the Golden Hair and Beauty Empire. The Golden Hair and Beauty Empire. Or right here on my page, my number is there. Right here on my page, my number is there. All right. Don't worry. Right here on my page, my number is there. Okay. All right then. Hello, Fanta Coca. See you. How you doing? All right. Right here on my page, my number is here. Okay. Unchangeable. Thank you so much, ma. Yeah, don't pass on me. They go. May carry they go. I don't get in time. Maybe every dog with me woo I go the answer also. Come on, no worry my life, no worry my life. Let's go to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you all. And for any lucky winner of the giveaway, you will receive a lot by tomorrow or so. All right, I'll send my admin to come and check for the account number. He's gonna pick randomly and then he's gonna bless someone. Thank you all so much. Bye.